assignments that are really difficult in college. Like for me, with electrical engineering, there was a computer science class assignment, a weeder class, and I stayed up all night doing the assignment, and then I was so tired I didn't upload it correctly, and then like 3 days later I didn't get credit for it because I didn't upload it, and then I, had my nervous breakdown.
It wasn't until I participated in my first summer internship what I realized at that time was that all of the homework that my professors made me stress through was all that I needed. It was a process that was going on.
I decided to change my major after having some work experience. So I had an internship as a chemical engineer, and the company was great. I honestly loved it. People were really nice. I just had this moment where I realized that I don't know if I want to do this specifically.
So I have 3 young kids, ages 5, 6, and 10, and a husband, and 4 pets. Yeah, so it's a lot, I will admit that. It's very challenging, but I'm an energetic person and I like to do a lot of things. So apparently, I like to have a big family, a lot going on at home, but also a challenging career. Those 2 sorts of things just drive me.
I admire Dr. Mae Jemison. She's not only an astronaut, the first African American woman in space.